Really? He has these? No. Hey guys, Lone Wolf Gaming. It is extremely windy out here. And do not fake anything. We mean it is extremely windy out here. It's not that windy.
I was running fast and I hit the wall.
Look at that. Look at that. Those freaking tree branches. Well, that was just random.
What?
Whoa. Okay.
Danger sock.
But anyways.
Oh, all of a sudden wind stopped.
Huh. That is mysterious.
Got wet sock. Ah!
But yeah. Basically, it's extremely windy out here. That's what I've been trying to tell you.
The wind's blowing. Socks are making me slip over on my face.
You don't even have socks.
These socks. Yeah.
Oh, those socks.
Like this one. Step on it.
So
You're not tripping because you have extra socks on.
I'm not tripping.
He's not
You're
on the
tripping.
bead.
You're tripping.
He's not tripping on the bead.
Cause maybe I don't want to suck it. Yeah. But yeah. Yeah.
Hey, y'all, watch this. Watch this. Show the camera.
Yo.
Watch.
Gonna show you how to hit the corn. All right, hold the camera. Hold the camera. Make sure that's aiming at me. All right, I want to show you guys a trick. What's this? I like to call it the down up. See that?
Let me show them mine. So you have it.
Alright.
I'm going to show you all multiple. I got 3 moves of it. Ready? Okay, this one.
Yeah.
That one. And the cartwheel one.
Awesome. Anyways, I think we're gonna have to replay my down up a couple times.
Just to make sure it was good.
A bit higher. Yeah, that's good. Again. And one more time. Oh.
Alright.
Now as you can see, you just go, like, you just jump down.
Like this.
And then you lift yourself. Okay, you'll explain to them how while I'm doing it. So first
you get yourself a, yeah. Then you land on your back, but you don't just stay on the ground. Right when you bounce back up, try to land, like, pull yourself up, and you land on your feet. If it doesn't work,
You'll end up like that.
but it won't happen on the first try, so don't think you're gonna be the.
You'll end up like this.
Yeah, but when you're real good at it, let me show them.
But when you get good enough at it,
You're either gonna be like,
be ending up like this. Oh, I'm not like that.
or mine. Here, let me show them mine. This is how the pro can do it. Hey, we're both pros here.
Yeah.
Okay. Sometimes you can.
Anyways,
And when you do the up and down enough.
be sure to comment, like, subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys next time.
Hey,
Bye.